Buddhāvataṃsaka, the Flower Ornament Sutra, Chapter 4, The Formation of the Worlds. Then, to review this point, universally good, imbued with the power of the Buddha, looked over the 10 directions and said, "The oceans of lands are variously different. Various adornments, various supports, different forms, all beautiful, pervade the 10 directions. You should together all observe them. Some are round, some are square, some triangular, some octagonal, gemstone wheel-shaped, lotus blossoms, and so on. All are different according to needs. Some have arrays of pure flames, mixed with gold, most rarely fine, all doors open with no resistance. This is from deeds broad-minded and pure. The store of boundless differences of the oceans of worlds is like clouds draped in the sky. Jewel discs spread on the ground in wonderful arrays, the lights of the Buddhas shining therein. All lands, distinctions of mind, appear reflected in various lights. In these oceans of worlds, Buddhas each manifest mystical powers. Some lands are dirty, some are pure. Pleasant or painful, each is different. This comes from the inconceivable ocean of acts. Cyclic phenomena are always like this. Inside a single hairpore, inconceivable lands with various bases, many as atoms. In each of them, a universal illuminator expounds the truth in the midst of the crowd. In a single atom, great and small lands, variously different, as numerous as atoms, level, high and low. Each is different. Buddha goes to all to operate the teaching. The lands manifested in a single atom are all the occult power of the original vow. According to the various differences in inclination of mind, all can be made in the midst of space.